All right, so now that you've drawn your small dinosaur and you have cut it out, we're now gonna make the card. So I'm gonna have an outside paper and an inside paper. The outside paper will have the message. It'd be like the cover of the card. You could say happy birthday. You could wish somebody, special holiday. You could say thank you. A lot of good choices here. And then on the inside, there's a special cut that you need to make that you're gonna glue your dinosaur to make it pop up. Now, there are two directions that you could put it in. We know that if we have things going up and down, that is vertical. And if we have things going left to right, that is horizontal. My dinosaur is more horizontal than it is vertical. If you had a tall one, like the Diplo one, I don't remember what it's called, the tall dinosaur, then you might want to have your card go tall and go vertical. But we have a horizontal dinosaur, so our paper will go horizontal as well. So we'll fold these in half. I like to line them up, fold them in half at the same time. Great, now I have two papers that are folded in half. This side is what's gonna be on the inside, and then this is gonna be my cover. And while I have it, might as well decorate it because it's smooth on the inside and I won't mess up anything. So what I'm gonna write, you know what I'm gonna write? I'm gonna write thank you. Awesome, and now I can actually go in and erase all the pencil lines. Get all the eraser marks out of there. Thank you. I'm gonna go with orange. You could color each letter a different color. That would be really nice. All right, there's my outside. And then when I open, it will be like that. All right. If you have a tall dinosaur, remember, you could open it that way. We're gonna open it this way. So we'll put that off to the side. All right, so now we have the inside. And we want our dinosaur to pop up right here. We don't want it to go out. So when we have our dinosaur popping up, we don't want that to happen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna line it up and look at it. Let's see, it doesn't stick out here. So we know that we can put it there. So that's what we're gonna do. Little line right there. And that's the most high that we can make our tab. All right, so let's think about this. This one here, and this one here, we have it here. We're gonna cut here, and we're gonna fold it here. So I'm making this kind of like, actually, let me do it again. This is our fold line. So I made that a little bit like a dash line there. Cut, cut, fold. So we're gonna get the scissors, turn them around, cut, cut, scissors back down, and then we're gonna fold both of it. So remember, this side is the folded side, so you're gonna fold the fold. This side is the open side. All right, so fold it up, press it down, your fingers really push it, and flip it over, and pull it around, and go the other way. Good, strong fold. All right, now put it back. We're gonna go inside and you're gonna push it in. It's crazy. Inside out. Make sure that it lays flat by pressing it. All right. That is how we're gonna put our dinosaur. So we wanna put this inside our cover. So we're actually gonna glue this inside here. So, get my glue stick. Now I don't have to use the glue everywhere. I can just sort of trace this line around the edges. Don't forget this one. So I have it just on the edges, lining it up. Put it flat, massage it. Really get the edges. All right, flip it over. We want to get this side, so once again, we don't want glue in there, so I'm not even gluing on the green, I'm gluing on the blue only. If you don't have colorful paper like me, that's okay. You can do it all with white paper. You can decorate it with a color after you're done. Fold it up and rub or massage. Give it a good rub. All right. So now we know that we have this section in here. Again, if you want yours to be a card like this and it opens this way, then that's great. You can also do it so that it opens this way and it will still work with a tall dinosaur. All right, so I got my thank you card. I got my inside. Now I need to put my dinosaur right in here. And I want it to look like this when it opens up. So I'm gonna put glue on the dinosaur, on the belly. And on the legs. Make sure I didn't glue on my table. And I'm gonna line my dinosaur up on the ground like it's gonna stand on the ground. Line it up. And I'm sticking my hands in there to really press that dinosaur onto that, sort of like it's like a step, like a staircase. On just one side. I am only going on the front. I'm not going on the top. No glue. I don't want it to be sticky there. And then when you close it up, it will still be flat. Right? And then you can open it and your dinosaur will stand up. Pretty cool stuff. And you can decorate around here. You could make a little scene. You could even just have it just like this and not worry about it, a card, and then have a dinosaur environment. A little lake over here, perhaps a tree or two, some bushes, maybe one of those flying dinosaurs in the sky in the distance. Who knows? All right, so I really wanted to show you real quick how to make one that is vertical, that's going up and down. This one went horizontal. The card is horizontal. And I want to show you what it would look like if you had one that is vertical and open like that. All right, so I have my dinosaur drawn and cut out. Remember, it started out as a paper that was this size, and then I cut it out. And then I will get my two other pieces of paper. This will be my cover, and then this will be the inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold them in half very carefully, line up. I'm folding both of mine at the same time, but you can fold them separately. Okay. Then I'm going to determine how far this will stick. And it looks like I can make a big panel if I want to. Make sure that you cut on the folded side. All I need to do is put my cover on. I'm gonna write my message, and I have my pop-up card.